What's up YouTube, this is Dice Airsoft, bringing you guys today a budget loadout guide for those that want to get into Airsoft but don't want to have an M4 just like everybody else. Back when I first started playing Airsoft about 17-18 years ago, it was insanely expensive to get into it here in Canada. Like, you'd have to spend probably $400 or $500 to actually get into it. Nowadays it's a lot more affordable. Today's a little bit of a budget guide on how to get into Airsoft here in Canada if your budget is around $250. In order to play Airsoft, you really only need 4 different things: a battery, gun, BBs, and eye protection. Let's start with the eye protection. A solid option for eye protection is full seal goggles like these Valken Zulus. These are right around $35. One important thing that you don't want to cheap out on when you're buying into your Airsoft hobby is eye protection. Sure, yeah, there might be lots of various types of eye protection that's really cheap. Don't cheap out on your eyesight. You're not going to be able to find replacement eyeballs on Amazon or eBay. Make sure that when you get eye pro, get something that is ANSI ballistic rated. If you're somebody who's under the age of 18, oftentimes many fields will require you to get a full face mask. In those kind of instances, a full face paintball mask is also an acceptable form of protection, mainly because paintball goggles have a much higher impact than Airsoft does. Now for the gun for this video, I'm going to be referring to guns for those who don't want to get an M4 just like everybody else. For the first gun, we're going to start off with, you guessed it, an AK. The gun that I'm talking about is the JG AK-47. This gun is an excellent beginner's platform because it shoots fairly solid straight out of the box, comes with a battery and charger, as well as a 600 round high capacity magazine. I've actually owned this gun myself for many years. This thing's been rock solid for me, and it's been one of my main loader guns if I just want to give a gun to somebody and not be worried about it breaking or jamming up on them, just so that they can actually go out and play Airsoft without using one of those piece of junk Walmart or Canadian Tire clear guns. I mentioned that that gun comes with a battery. That's another important aspect of something that you need to play, because of course, without a power source, you can't run your gun. The JG AK-47 comes with an 8.4 volt 1100 milliamp battery, which is perfect for a beginner Airsofter. And of course, in order to actually shoot your enemies, the last thing you'll need is ammunition. For right around $19 to $20 on most Canadian sites, you can pick up a 5,000 count bottle of Elite Force .25 gram BBs. All in all, for right around $250, this is a fairly solid setup for any starting player who wants to get into Airsoft in Canada, but doesn't have a crap ton of cash to spend. So you might be wondering, what if my budget's a little bit higher, like around $300, and I want to be able to get one more magazine and a way to carry it? I've got a solution for you. If your budget's a little bit higher, you can pick up one of these ACM or clone brand chest rigs for right around $50 to $60 depending which color you want. These chest rigs oftentimes come with additional magazine pouches as well as other utility pouches already attached to them, such as this triple magazine pouch, which is holding one additional AK-47 magazine. This is as well a 550 round high cap and can be had for right around $15. More of you may also be asking, what if I don't want an AK-47 but still don't want an M4? I got another solution for you. You can pick up a JG G36C as well as additional magazines for around the same price. Another handy thing too is that these also come with a battery and charger. I hope that this video helps some of you guys make an informed purchase decision as well as get into the sport of Airsoft if you don't have that much cash. This has been Dice Airsoft, and I will see you guys next time.